industrial engineering and lean manufacturing in 2026. The year is 2026 and industrial engineering is no longer about efficiency, it is about intelligence. Lean manufacturing has evolved. Waste is no longer found only on shop floor. It is hidden in data gaps, slow decisions, and disconnected systems. In 2026, AI is the new industrial engineer's strongest ally. Predictive analytics does not just forecast demand, it prevents downtime before it happens. Machines speak through data, and engineers listen in real time. Lean tools like Kaizen, value stream mapping, and Six Sigma are no longer static diagrams. They are living digital systems updated by AI and IoT, where an engineer can interact with them and make decisions timely, effectively. Role of industrial engineer has shifted from problem solver to system architect, from manual analysis to decision intelligence. AI does not replace lean thinking, it amplifies it. Human judgment defines the problem, AI accelerates the solution. In 2026, the factories that win are not biggest but the smartest, where people, processes, and machines learn together. Lean is no longer about doing more with less, it is about doing better with insights. And the future belongs to engineers who embrace data, discipline, and digital intelligence, the 3D. In the era of AI, we have 3D. 2026 is not coming, it's already being designed by industrial engineers who think lean and think smart.